Okay, Mel, that's it for today. Thanks for helping. More like being a nuisance, and I hope that the instructions helped you a little bit, because it can be a bit confusing coming in. There's all these options at the car wash, so please do call us if you have any questions, and come down to Melville Car Wash to keep your car sparkly clean. High five, Mel. Show off.